In this video, we are going to take a look at how you can make use of .NET types in EasyShell. This allows you to make use of static and instance methods and static and instance properties to enhance your EasyShell automation scripts. This is a little bit advanced as it requires to be familiar with what is available in .NET. You can go to MSDN, which is the official documentation for .NET, to find the available types and methods. In this case, we are going to look at datetime, which is a built-in object that allows you to deal with date and time. It has some functions, fields, and properties. Of particular interest is now, which is a static property that returns the current datetime object. Let's take a look at how to use it in EasyShell. Let's start an EasyShell session. Remember, all the commands in EasyShell follow this general format: command name followed by one or more arguments. The same thing applies to .NET objects. We can address this now property by typing its full name. The full name of now is the namespace dot the object type dot the property type, the property name. If we just type this, EasyShell will recognize this as a C# property, and it's going to return you the value. We can assign this value to a variable by defining a special type of variable called handle. The handle is a reference to a .NET object. So we can create a variable with name as usual and give it this value. Now, to give it this value, we cannot just type it like this because that will be recognized as a text. Instead, we need to invoke this as a subcommand by putting it inside brackets. So what is happening here is inside the brackets, it's another command, and the command is executing system.datetime.now, which returns a datetime object. And that is the value of the evaluation. And we are assigning that value to the variable called myTime. And this will give us the correct object. After you get the reference to the object, you can start invoking instance methods on this. For instance, there is a function called addDays. And you can invoke this on the handle and pass the arguments that is required. For instance, we can do call, which is going to call a member on a reference. In this case, the reference is myTime, and the member we're going to call, actually, it's myTime with a lowercase, and the member we're going to call is called addDays. And it takes one argument, which is the number of days you want to add. We can do it like this. It's going to return a new object, as the documentation says. So we should be able to see a new date. To further illustrate this, you can assign this to a new variable. So let's say time2 equals call myTime at days 15. Remember to put it inside a subcommand. So that will execute this, and it's going to return a new datetime, and we assign it to time2. And now if we do print time2, it's going to behave like this. That is how you can make use of existing .NET types and methods.